If you can't slide to get your ass up out the pit, can you do it with no hands? Can you ghost ride the whip? A lot of niggas got a cat but can't handle all that power. The way we slide is like deodorant, but it don't smell like flowers. Who wants the smoke? You want the smoke? I got my team, you get your team. 2020 drag pack, it's illegal in the street. If it's a bitch that I don't know, she gotta suck it.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
SRT, let go. Me and Martini like Brian and Kobe, this cross on my head. You know I ain't holding no Netflix and chillin'. I want you to stroke it. This bitch got some cakes on her, like hostess. I'm whipping that bitch like a slave. I'm fucking that bitch in her face. I'm tired of the trolls. Find out where you lay. He was shocked when he seen me in person. Taste.
Come on, cameraman. Go ahead, bro. It's already recording too.
He tripping.
Come on, cameraman.
Hey,
Sunday.
what, boxing?
I mean, we can do the boxing and then the video shoot. Whoever come. Cause niggas are really scared to box. They don't want to win no free money.
How much you talking?
250 to a band.
That was your birthday picture, what?
What? Yeah. Ooh! Hey, y'all gotta get this on the camera. Get that motherfucker. Sally got the hardest Hot Wheels shirt out here, bro. No cap. Trying to get my nigga Sally, man. We all on that motherfucker though. Trying to get like you, bro. That motherfucker hard.
Yeah.
I'm about to hit myself with that motherfucker.
I'm about to call you security man. Next week.
Listen, if you don't spin it, you gotta leave.
Don't spend it.
Man, what? Bro, you know what I'm talking about, bro. You know what I'm talking about, bro. You know it can spin.
Yeah, no, you got that motherfucker doing security up front. We got call on.
Exactly, he's resting.
He's rusting.
I need some rest, man.
Why you been pushing that motherfucker?
I'm doing my duties, bro. I'm a cameraman, bro.
Bro.
You in the video.
Bro. You already spent, didn't you? I don't know what we gonna get for the quarters. We should do a quarter.
Hey, you gotta be in your dreads. You.
I do?
Yeah.
I gotta be 8.
B.
I gotta be by my dreads.
N.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You lying,
No,
bro.
I'm not.
Motherfucker this way. No, what you saying? Nigga.
We should make like a drifting course.
You can't with these motherfuckers? I got no time. I'll do that motherfucker.
I'll be back. Listen.
I'm like,
Hey, bro, what's your name?
My name Marty Mouse.
Hey, what's your name?
Oh, you got the same phone as me.
Ooh, we're twins.
Ooh.
What's your name?
Chris Shaw.
Flat face.
Whoop your ass.
You said again, that nigga just lied. Hey, bro, he far as fuck. Listen, I agreed to be a cameraman, right? Get in the camera. Back up. Listen. I'm not even following the person I'm supposed to be following.
This nigga is fired. This top flight security ass nigga.
Hey, man, tell them about yourself.
Exactly.
Ooh, damn, take your hat
All I
off.
gotta say, take your hat off.
Take your hat
It's
off.
good, bro.
Nah,
Do it
fuck
one time.
your ass hairline.
Man, the way
Come on,
is not
bend your
there,
head down. Come on.
Nah, man.
Like, just us to see. Just the camera. Oh, shit.
There you go, right there.
Take the hat off.
Getting good autographs today. I'm gonna have to take
Hey, bro, I
your
like
shit
your
today.
camera. Here. Take this.
Don't use
Take this
number
real
cream.
quick. Take this real quick. Listen. No, don't put it on me.
Alright. Mingo.
Explain yourself.
What?
What are you here for?
I'm here because he got a warrant. He don't know about it, but I know about it. I looked him up.
I need that autograph. Top flight, you next.
Was I not recording that part?
Nah, you still record. I'm gonna edit that out. How many autographs you got?
I got you. Hold on. About 4.
Sheesh.
He just signed this shit? Yes, sir.
Man, fuck that.
Hey, watch that.
Let me finish my autograph.
Hold on. Come on with it. Oh man, you see it?
Oh! nigga Jay had to come clean with him. Ooh.
No, so let's go ahead and get
Yeah.
that motherfucker.
What up, my boy?
Yeah. You know it. I need the autograph. Oh, she on everybody's shit. She on everybody's shit.
I didn't get to see you spin, but I still need an autograph. I'm never washing his hands.
I don't know, she gotta suck it through the pins. If I really wanna hit her, I'ma tell that bitch anything. I put a target on my head when I camera wrap the G. Before I run out of this paper, they gon' run out of that ink. She wants some Ocean Prime, but I got some Mickey D's. I done hit like 20 bitches in a week with no sleep. He said, let me find out, you found out that she like my nuts in her mouth, like Mount Round. We play with Gleezy's, not no Rugers. I don't pay no mind to them rumors. Do my dance on your gravesite and make your bitch spit my cum on your junior. Locked up and still sending hit behind the G-wall. It's a life sentence in these denims by the Gucci draws. Watch your pussy, baby girl. I can smell all. He was hooping on the net. She texted my line, I answer request. Got bottles and sparklers right in my section. If I'm in the club, on my side is protection. Keep a Glock 9, I dropped out a freshman. Live out of fans, my fam disown me. Twice about plans, cause rest in peace coat. Took time for my niggas, ain't none of them broke. Respect to the mama, treat them like a trophy. The money come in, watch her back, niggas phony. Whoa, 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 whoa. If I tell you a secret, you better not expose. My flow is too raw to be using a troll. Tryna give me your leftovers, bitch, I don't want it.
What is you looking at, my nigga? That's tough. Nigga looking at me and shit. If you touch one of mine, I ain't doing all that capping. Tired of seeing niggas spin at base models, don't blow a gas. When it come to all this slide shit, my money on Lil B. Soleil, Mouse, Be Dangerous, Lil Will and Lil Tony. All these R&B hoes in my DM cause y'all don't do them right. I fucked all the groupie hoes around the world, I feel like Eric Wright. Like Future and Drake album, what a time to be alive. I heard COVID back around, but I ain't scared to come outside. Early morning, cold start, I don't like it when it's quiet. Don't nobody show love until they heard that you just died.
If I get drunk, it's this nigga fault.
Hey man, listen.
And this nigga fault. The nigga that spins everybody. I'm blaming y'all. And then he got double shots. I don't even drink Jose. Yeah. Sounds like.
You might want to get you some more.
Hold on.
This is my old one shirt.
Hold on.
This is what.
I need your autograph, bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna be your cook for the day. How you doing? Thanks for coming and hanging out with everybody. Got you know what? He'll be your bartender.
That's it?
You know what I mean? Man, I got chicken wings. I got some crazy things.
Man, where my cameraman at? I'm about to fire his ass. Yeah.
He finna get fired on his day off. If he get fucked up, it's because of me.
It's this nigga fault.
Well, let me see your tattoo. You got a mimosa? You got white in it?
Yeah, but I burned myself. I gotta go get it fixed, man. I'm shitty.
You're not gonna be able to get it fixed.
Huh?
If you do be able to get it fixed, it's gonna cut your skin because it's already tender.
Think I should wait like a long ass time?
Look, see how that shit's deep? Like if you go like this, you can there's a divot in it, it's a hole. Nigga went way too deep. I'm going back tomorrow and get my money back. And they told me wait like 2 weeks, it'll grow. No, it's been almost a month now.
I'm about to fire you. You alright, man?
Huh?
You alright?
I'm looking at messages, man.
Man, I'm trying to get like my nigga Kale. He got the Yeezys.
I'm dusty, bro.
$5.50 for the pants.
If you get closest,
$3.50 for the bells. $2.50 for the bill. $2 for the t-shirt.
I'm in this shit for life. Remember my life, that shit was trite. Now my neck, my wrist got ice. It was sometimes I wanted to die. It was sometimes I wanted to cry. It was sometimes I cut myself. I really thought I was Michael Myers. I tell the truth, put that on my. I got a whole amount. I'm in the cut like a motherfucking bandage. I got a whole amount. I'm in the cut like a motherfucking bandage. I know they hear me now. I know these niggas, they really can't stand it. They tryna steal the sound. They tryna steal the bounce. I say, hey, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. How you doing? I am not no regular. My life is like a movie. Yes, I must admit I'm gothic. She still wanna do me. I will never change 'cause I'm always remember two things. Yeah, I'm in this shit for life. Remember my life, that shit was trite. Now my name. Shake that ass, 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 shake that ass. Shake that ass, 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 shake that ass. Do it, baby, stick it, baby, do it, baby, stick it, baby, do it, baby, stick it, baby, do it, baby, stick it, do it, baby, stick it, baby, do it, baby, stick it, baby, do it, baby, stick it, baby, do it, baby, stick it. You's a freak hoe, you's a freak hoe. Bounce that ass, make your knees touch your elbows. You's a freak hoe, you's a freak hoe. Bounce that ass, make your knees touch your elbows. I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. I fuck all these bitches after every show. I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. I fuck all these bitches after every show. Bounce that ass, bounce that ass, bounce that ass, bounce that ass. Can you do a split on a dick? Bust it open. Can you do a split on a dick? Show some. Can you do a split on a dick? Work it, bitch. Can you do a split on a dick? Do it, bitch. West side hoes got some good ass pussy. East side hoes got some good ass pussy.
Gotta get the legend in here too, man. The legend himself. My nigga Esco. How you? Damn, I'm trying to get an interview in.
My nigga skinny.
Same size, bro.
How you doing today, brother?
I'm good, man.
So what do you expect to see out this event today? Are you spending your shit and going crazy? Say less. Say less. Say less. We gonna turn the fuck up. Shit.
That's fucked up, y'all. Like, tell y'all going there and getting drinks, though.
You want some drinks?
Yeah.
What you trying to get it?
Whatever you got.
Look at that beat. Hold on.
Oh.
Just do this, brother. You tripping.
What if the stinger left in it?
Man, get your ass up, brother.
Pull up with the members, I'm Gucci. Black on black, ski mask with a tube. If your bitch in a whip, then we finna make a move. Watch her straight to the beat, it's the booty for me. If I fucking I walk past, I probably won't speak. Got an ass in the front, it's the racks in my jeans. Watch those out of my name, but we on the same team. I'm fucking my niggas, bitch, like so. Feeding that baby a bottle while cooking that dope up. Riding around with more bread than Panera. Whipping up pies, I ain't talking about syrup. We smoking your partner, that whatchamacallit. I stay on the road and come back with that profit. He see me in person, start ducking and dodging. I take what I want, ain't got time to be bargaining. If get behind me, I'm out of there. Lift the shirt, you see the Glock and that Gucci underwear. She sucking my dick like she giving a heat. I just pulled me a bitch in my two-piece deep. One leg up, one arm on frontal. Mine. I try like a fool, this Cartier watching the trophy. Give a fuck about the time. Let go. I'm sweeping the flow in these Gucci's. Pull up with the members, I'm Gucci. Black on black, ski mask with a tube. If your bitch in a whip, then we finna make a move. I just straight to the beat, it's the booty for me. If I fucking I walk past, I probably won't speak. Ass in the front, it's the racks in my jeans. This paper, they gon' run out of that ink. She wants some Ocean Prime, but I got some Mickey to eat. I done hit like 20 bitches in a week with no sleep. He said, let me find out, you found out that she like my nuts in her mouth, like Mount Round. We play with Glizzies, not no Rugers. I don't pay no mind to the
Nigga sell you
rumors.
with the trunk. Chapo.
Yeah, go around me on full screen.
Can I get your autograph?
I got you, bro. R2 kills, man.
That work ass autograph. What's happening, y'all? You good though?
Yeah, for sure.
Y'all good?
Where the cat at? You ain't bring it out today?
You good, brother?
Man, I ain't bring it out today.
Yeah, I'm sitting here too, man.
Wow.
You ain't got me to take you in the video, man.
Which one? In the takeover?
The one you just uploaded. I said, oh, bro.
Did you send me any footage?
You ain't asked me.
Bro,
Yeah,
no. I tell everybody to send me footage.
Damn.
But guess what though? It's your time to shine today.
No, it's not.
Why?
I would do an SRT, but I ain't pay for that shit.
What
you want, bro? Well, your ass driving that motherfucker like the police stick on God.
We going car shopping, but not at the dealership. Put some bows on that side, you can get a repeater box. Doing a dash out of town with no key fob. Yo, bitch on my dick and she doing the beatbox. I just put up to Cali, my nigga from Treetop. Told me, yo, with Lil Migo, they got a few chop shops. Got a plug at the BNV, she kinda fat, but I fuck from the back, I ain't got a shot. Only way that we going is updates. Christian Dior, I ain't rocking no chucks. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many grams can you stuff in the blunt? Don't pull a bitch your first time of the month. Walk out with my jewelry, but don't mean to stun. Been going through shit, can you give me a hug? I done ran off on no plug, can you give me a plug? Out the gate. Red Hellcat, bitch fast, where they gotta take worse than fuel. Got me sliding in the street like some baby oil. I be running through shit like a racing bull. I sign with the devil, I'm plugged with the Jews. My money too long to be arguing with dudes. Don't mean to be rude. Put the white body kid on the charger, it's cute. When you out in the streets, it's a point to be proved. Took a trip to the bank, next time I hit you. Just bought a scab, but don't know how to use. This city fucked up, they don't want me to win. Put up my fortune to see if it's spin. Open the door.
Oh, get out my fucking face.
What's happening?
It's sour cream.
What was happening? Ain't nothing even happening.
Nigga suck the shit out my blunt.
Can I hit your blunt, Mousy?
Yeah.
The famous blunt. Nigga, I don't smoke.
Who's the king of the backwood between Mousy and Migo?
Me.
I don't know.
Migo
Y'all
can't
both,
roll.
y'all both niggas smoke backwoods like it's fucking.
Migo can't roll, bro. Last time he rolled a backwood, I'm like, bro, is this what you gave me, bro?
I think that's not Sally's, is it?
No, he got a big
Smell that orange juice.
That's what I think it is. Where is Sally? You can't miss his tall yellow ass. Oh, I think he inside the building. Oh, Sally. Y'all. Man, y'all know.
SRT, let go. Me and Martini like Brian and Kobe, this cross on my head, you know I ain't holding. Ain't no Netflix and chillin', I want you to stroke it. This bitch got some cakes on her, like hostess. I'm whipping that bitch like a slave. I'm
Detroit, go ahead and bring those slow ass cars there so we can fuck y'all shit up, nigga. Get back or get smacked, my nigga. We don't want to hear no shit. We ain't trying to play no shit. Bring y'all slow ass 9-spinners ass down here, and we got something for y'all ass. On my mama, we got the best spinners, bitch. Come see us, Burnout Kings. Fuck y'all. Hey, bro.
Right there at the mirror. Yup.
Hey, help. Put that motherfucking third gear shit on his ass. Third gear? I ain't got no motherfucking third. No. I used to got something left to do. You got enough. You got. What's up? Hey! 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 Put it in third gear. Go! Drunk in the middle. He like us. Where your car at, bro? Come on, you think right?
Yeah, the RT.
You everywhere. Come on.
No, I need your autograph, bro.
Autograph.
You a legend, bro.
Come on, bring this motherfucker.
Hey. Nah, you haven't spin. You disappoint me, man. Nah, I'm just playing.
What up, though, Cass?
Facts.
Just because you seated on me the other day.
1 second. When?
I was in the SS.
Hey, D. Get so close to me.
West 38.
Okay.
Get so close to me that you hit me, but don't hit me, but hit me.
And you been drinking, come on. Get close to the crowd.
Nigga, I'm about to go viral, nigga.
Where your whole ass at? The man said you fucking suck. Look. Hey, where the fuck are y'all at? Oh shit, watch out.
That nigga gonna hit me. Out of everybody in the motherfucking crowd, he gonna hit me. Oh, we gotta talk shit, bro. Tell how bad these niggas suck. These niggas suck.
They treated me like I was some little ass niggas. Y'all admit to me that motherfucker hole. I should get the park right there. Y'all should make her move now.
Come again.
She texted my line, I ain't answering questions. Got bottles and sparklers right in my section. If I'm in the club, on my side is protection. Keep a Glock 9, I dropped out a freshman. Live out the fans, my fam disown me. Talk about plans, cause rest in peace cold. Took time for my niggas, ain't none of them broke. Respect to the mamas, treat them like a trophy. The money come in, watch her back, niggas phony. Whoa, 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 whoa. If I tell you a secret, you better not expose. My pillows too raw, I've been using think? You can't be cool with me. Don't make me put you in your place.
Tony, let me get your autograph. I got the goat! Ah! Got the goat in the building.
I need some fucking keys, bro. Motherfuckers suck.
Turn this nigga to a
bro.
meme today. We got another goat. I need your autograph, sir.
You already know what it is.
Can't leave my nigga hanging. Nigga, my hand been signed by all the goats today.
When the Hot Wheels member come out, we gonna make you bad, nigga.
Yep.
Bro, when it's a Hot Wheels, we gonna do you bad. That's all I gotta say.
Fuck what they talking about. Vlog order.
That's all, folks.
Oh,